And today I'm gonna make a video on my PS4 and I'm gonna be playing Star Wars Battlefront in survival by myself. If you hear the Xbox stuff, it's my brother playing on the Xbox. So let's get started. Loading. Okay, this is taking longer. Sorry for the camera if I move it a lot. I had it straighten a bit, but then something happened there. So okay, start. I don't care about my blaster. First time playing. No one wants to see you.
The Empire is determined to wear you down. Hold fast.
So I'm by myself. I got a horrible gun.
Be on the lookout for an Imperial probe droid. We picked up signals from an Imperial probe droid approaching your location.
This is a challenge for me, guys. If I survive more than 5 waves, then that means I'm getting good. But if I'm surviving less than 5 waves, then I'm really bad at this game. I think I still am. See, guys? Killed already. You died. I'm gonna have to spend a night.
Don't give up. You may yet advance triumphant.
First round counted. Well, it didn't count because I haven't died permanently. I haven't played this in a long time, and neither have you guys probably. You see, I'm gonna keep on dying. I can still win, yay, good job. But I'm gonna lose because I'm dumb at this game. I had it since a long time.
All enemy units defeated.
Oh, preparing for next round, yay. I might survive, or not.
The enemy is in your zone.
Me and my brother used to play it together. He's better than me. That's all I know. I'm just making one video, guys. Just one round. Because I'm not making the video too long. I don't want to waste my video time. How long I can have it. Plus, because I gotta do things. I just decided to make this. Next wave, guys. Drop pod. Oh yeah. If you don't know what that is,
move out. The
claim the
first pod is in the deck. Let's beat the imps there,
yeah,
secure the area, and capture it.
And then protect it from everyone. That's the part I hate.
Defense position. Elite shadow troopers reported in the zone. Our forces
Defend
are
the
capturing
pod.
the escape pod.
No,
Brace yourself.
I knew they were coming, but I didn't know when they were coming. Black ones. No, I really have to.
The escape pod is under our control.
Excellent work. But more Imperials
Yes.
are on the way.
Turret. Wow, if I finish this round, wait, let me check. I have finished 4 rounds. Wait, yeah, I finished 4 rounds, I think. Yeah, I think 4 rounds, and if I pass 5 and then go to if I pass 5, then I'm getting good at this game. But with my last life. But I know I'm not gonna pass it because wait for it defeated. Ah, and now I knew it wasn't wave 4. Now I'm going to wave 5. If I pass this, then that means I'm good at playing this. Return to combat. Return to combat. What? Oh yeah, Shock Troopers, the one where you saw when we were loading. Come on, turret, you could do the best. You're the best of all. I'm just super lame at this game. Whoa, mostly I've been making Minecraft videos, so I thought, what if I make a different video? And not just on Xbox 360 or tablet. I have to make other videos for you guys. They're gonna get bored of Minecraft. I got bored of Minecraft.
We've identified the position of another escape pod.
I got it.
On its location as soon as possible.
Whoa, I can't.
Imperials coming within range.
I jumped off.
The escape pod will soon be under rebel control.
Defend the pod again. Wait, I'm getting good at this game. Yes, guys. I'm doing it. Keep on pushing.
Imperial troopers approaching position.
Where are they? Oh, what's that?
Defensive positions.
You just
What's that? Shock Trooper. I'm better aiming at this.
I took their mind.
Now I see what Shock Troopers do. They shock me. But I'm not shocked.
I have 10 cats.
Defend the pod. The pod, I forgot about it.
Okay.
Gotta go there quick. Gotta get there quick. You gotta.
Where are you?
That escape pod has fallen into a
Got lost. No.
regroup.
I'm gonna punch everyone. No, I'm gonna punch everyone. What am I doing? How do you punch again? Oh yeah. You won't do nothing. Oh. Well, guys. Well, you saw the video.
Have some explosions.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe, and everything. Please like and watch my other videos.
I have to walk away.
So, peace out, guys.